How to make more followers on Threads. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to Login Helps, and on today's video we will see how we can make more followers on Threads account. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you need to open up Threads application. Now, to build a strong following on Threads, it will require a mix of consistent effort, engaging content, and strategic interaction. So here are some tips or tricks that will help you to grow your followers on Threads. The first one is to optimize your profile. To do that, you have to use a clear and recognizable photo or logo that represents you or your brand. So you can use a clear profile picture. And another way to optimize your profile is to add a bio which reflects your interest, expertise, or mission. Include keywords that align with your content. Now, the third way to optimize your profile is to add link. If possible, you can add link to your website, blog, or other social profiles in your Threads account. The second method is to post engaging content regularly. You have to be consistent and post regularly to keep your profile active. And now, you can share some content that educates or entertains or inspire your audience. You can use high quality images, graphics, or videos to make your post stand out. Now, the third option or third method is to use hashtags or topics strategically. You can use relevant hashtags, trending topics. And the other way or other tricks is to engage with others. Reply to comments and questions on your post to foster engagement. You can leave a thoughtful and meaningful comments on related posts to get noticed. So, by following all these tricks and being patient and persistent, you can have or you will have a slow growth in Threads account. And that's all for this video. Hope this video helped you. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.